friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today we have got a video that is all about one of the best food groups, and that is pasta. I'm gonna show you how to make delicious vegan pasta recipes that are easy to make, so cozy, so comforting, and delicious. Did I already say that? If I didn't, delicious. The recipes are up on the blog, so if you do want to follow along and make any of them, you can find those links down below. And I've also included some of my favorite pasta brands that I will link down below for you as well. Brown rice, I have a preferred brown rice brand. I also love lentil pasta and I love chickpea pasta, so those will be linked down below for you as well. I would love to encourage you to subscribe if you are new around here. It's super easy. If you like videos like this, we've got you covered. You can subscribe by clicking the red button that is right below this video. And that's all I have for you today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into a giant bowl of vegan pasta. So the first recipe that we're making is a creamy baked pumpkin pasta. You're gonna start by adding olive oil into a pan, followed by some garlic, and you will saute the garlic in that olive oil until it is fragrant and starting to turn gold brown. We will then add in some flour. You can use whatever type of flour you want. I used quinoa flour here. Mix that together, it will thicken up, and then we're gonna slowly whisk in milk, and this is all over the heat, so you're basically creating a roux, which is typically made with butter and flour, but we are using olive oil and gluten-free flour. And then the milk, and I'm using almond milk here, unsweetened almond milk. You can use whatever sort of plant milk you want, but just continue to whisk it together until it is thick and creamy, and this will be the base of our sauce. Once you've added all of the milk in, and again, you can find the recipe up on the blog to get exact proportions and instructions, we'll also add in our pumpkin puree, as well as our nutritional yeast, turmeric powder for color, as well as salt and pepper. Whisk that together, and that is going to be your creamy pumpkin sauce. So you can remove it from the heat, add in your cooked noodles, and you can use any type of noodles that you want. I don't think it would work with spaghetti, but any other type of noodle will be totally fine. Add in your spinach as well as some cashew cream, and then stir that together. And once everything is combined, the spinach is mixed in, the noodles are covered in sauce, we're going to fold in some vegan cheese. This just adds a little extra creaminess to it, optional, but delicious. Now that everything is mixed in, we are going to transfer it into our baking dish and just smooth it over with your spatula. And if you would like, you can sprinkle it with a little bit more vegan cheese on top. Again, this is kind of like a mac and cheese, so it's really up to you, but it's creamy and delicious. So I highly recommend the cheese on top. Then you will bake it up until everything is golden brown and bubbling and the cheese is melted and it looks like this. And you are pretty much ready to serve at this point. So you can just scoop out your pasta and put it up on your plate, and you could just enjoy it as is. If you do want to have a little bit of fun with the garnishes, I honestly just kept it pretty simple and just did nutritional yeast, but you could do some sort of like tahini sauce. You could add in some fresh herbs, really up to you, but this basically tastes like decadent mac and cheese, but it's super easy to make and vegan. And then our second recipe today is a one-pot creamy broccoli pasta. You're going to add your noodles into your boiling water, and we're actually doing everything in one pot. So as your noodles are cooking, just cook them according to the package instructions. Once they have 2 minutes left in the cooking process, you're gonna add your chopped up broccoli directly into the pot with the water, and you'll just continue cooking for the rest of the cooking time, so 2 additional minutes. Make sure that before you drain your pasta, you reserve a little bit of pasta water because we're gonna use that later, but you can just drain your pasta and the broccoli and then add it back into your pot. From there, we will add in our cashew cream, and if you don't know how to make cashew cream, I have a link on the channel, so I'll drop that down below, as well as some grated vegan Parmesan cheese. You could also do nutritional yeast if you wanted, some lemon zest, pinch of sea salt, and some cracked pepper. And then we will stir that all together. And the sauce probably won't be thin enough, so that's where we're gonna add in the pasta water. So just add in like a tablespoon or 2 of pasta water, stir it together, add in some more pasta water until you reach that creamy consistency that you're looking for. I also recommend squeezing in some lemon juice. I don't know why I don't have it filmed here, but definitely squeeze in the lemon juice as well. And that's pretty much it. You can taste it, adjust salt, pepper, seasoning if you need, but it is so delicious. Literally takes 15 minutes to make. great way to sneak in some veggies. If you use a bean-based pasta, you would be able to get in protein and veggies, which I love. And it's just like a creamy bowl of pasta, which is just awesome and so delicious. So definitely recommend checking this one out. And if you want to make it, again, it is linked down below for you. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make delicious vegan pasta. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. I know you guys love pasta because I've shared other pasta recipes on the site before, as well as here on YouTube, and they always do really well. You guys are all about the carbs and comfort food, which, after my own heart, I love it. So I hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you did, please give them a thumbs up. And I'd also love to know what your favorite pasta recipe is. So how do you like to make pasta? If you have any mix-ins that you like or any specific recipes, let me know in the comments because I would love to either try them or recreate them and make them with my own healthy twist. So let me know down in the comments, and if you do want to make any of these specific recipes, I've linked them down in the description box, so you can just find those links right down below. Otherwise, if you are new around here and you have not yet subscribed, if you like videos like this, then I would love for you to join us. You can tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me here on YouTube. It means the world to me. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.